Hey there, future freelancers and gig economy warriors. Welcome to today's video where we're diving into the world of online freelancing. I'm here to guide you through finding and navigating online gigs like a pro. In today's digital age, freelancing has become more than just a side hustle, it's a viable career path for millions. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or build a full-time freelance business, understanding how to find and navigate online gigs is crucial. Let's start by exploring some popular freelancing platforms. Giants like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com offer a wide variety of gigs across industries. But don't overlook niche platforms like 99 Designs for graphic designers or TopTal for top-tier tech talent. Now, let's talk about creating a winning profile. Your profile is your digital storefront, so make it shine. Craft an attention-grabbing headline, write a compelling bio that showcases your unique value proposition, and don't forget to highlight your best work in your portfolio. When it comes to finding the right gigs, it's all about smart searching. Use filters effectively to narrow down opportunities that match your skills and interests. Always read job descriptions carefully and watch out for red flags that might indicate a scam. Now, here's where many freelancers stumble: submitting proposals. The key is to tailor each pitch to the client's specific needs. Don't just list your skills, explain how you'll solve their problem. And always proofread before hitting send. Once you land a gig, managing client relationships becomes crucial. Set clear expectations from the start, communicate effectively, and handle feedback gracefully. Remember, a happy client can lead to repeat business and referrals. Let's talk money. Understanding platform fees and setting up secure payment methods is essential. Don't forget about taxes. As a freelancer, you're responsible for managing your own finances. Consider setting aside a portion of each payment for taxes and unexpected expenses. As you gain experience, think about scaling your freelance business. Expand your skill set, build your personal brand outside of platforms, and network with other freelancers. Gradually transition to higher-paying clients and more complex projects. To wrap up, remember that success in freelancing doesn't happen overnight. It takes persistence, continuous learning, and a bit of hustle. But with the right approach, you can build a thriving freelance career in the digital world. That's all for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And hey, drop a comment below about your freelancing experiences. Until next time, happy freelancing!